China is probably the most successful manager of internet censorship in the world, using something that's widely described as the Great Firewall of China. And the Great Firewall of China is a set of observation points that assume that media is produced by professionals. It mostly comes in from the outside world, right? It comes in relatively sparse chunks, and it comes in relatively slowly. And because of those four characteristics, they are able to filter it as it comes into the country. Right? But like the Maginot Line, the Great Firewall of China was facing in the wrong direction for this challenge, because not one of those four things was true in this environment. Right? The media was produced locally, it was produced by amateurs, it was produced quickly, and it was produced at such an incredible abundance that there was no way to filter it as it appeared. And so now, the Chinese government, who for a dozen years has quite successfully filtered the web, is now in the position of having to decide whether to allow or shut down entire services, right? Because the transformation to amateur media is so enormous that they can't deal with it any other way. And in fact, that is happening this week. On the 20th anniversary of Tiananmen, they just 2 days ago announced that they were simply shutting down access to Twitter